So real quick, I was wondering why I had this. So they asked you for a VIN for a reason. All right, family. It's time to put in the new dash. First, we gotta check out the old dash. So we got the kit, the tool kit, the other tool, the one right here. It's lit underneath. It's all good. So we gonna need the trim kit for now, and then we'll see what other tools we'll need as we go on. And then we'll pull out the old one, put in the new one. There you go. Ooh. Okay. That's gonna be more resistance. However, this is a 20-year-old truck. Right in there. We need to. Thinking we might need to bring there we go. Yeah, you need that additional room to get this top portion out. As you can see, this is kind of long, so you'll need that additional room. Make sure you give your foot on the brake so you don't roll. Get back. Yeah. Let's put this out the way. Yeah. Smack another camera. Let's put it over here. All right. Wasn't that bad. And looks like 2 10mm screws. Looks like it had 4, but they probably changed the dash. Now we will need to use the key again to bring this down so we can get the dash past this, more than likely, because how this juts out. Let's grab our, that might be 8mm actually. Let's grab our tools and get it done real quick. All right, so we got an 8mm. I'm trying not to lose these last 2 bolts. It's small. It's either 7 or 6. 8 didn't even touch it. So I think it's a 6. So I was absolutely incorrect. I had my 10mm on here, guys. My bad. My apologies. It's happened. Still might be 6. This ain't touching either. Alright, so it is 6 then. Because 10mm, 8mm ain't touching nothing. It says an 8. Where y'all at? Let y'all see it real quick. Alright. Back one more time. Alright, guys. Yep, 6. Oh, it's 7mm. 7mm on here. And it's actually working. So, didn't need 6. some. Boom. I just put the key back in and take this out. I know you guys just saw what I saw. Okay, well, you can put your emergency brake on too. That's for added. Oh, yo. Oh yeah, this thing is seen. This is original. This is 100% factory. All the blue spots and stuff. Then, unless they changed it, they messed it up. Or unless they tried to fix it, they tried to do the little fix. Okay, let's see where. Okay, which one connected? I know it's a jar. Now I'm gonna do it this way. Let it flip it like this, and then reach underneath. Oh, oop, I'm about to mess up the game. So let me do this. The number one rule when you're doing something like this is you're supposed to disconnect the battery. Be right back. I'm about to mess up my new deck. All right, now that we've stopped ourselves from frying our new component, okay, so the top, so I'm bring you guys in so you can see it closer. I'm at the, let's see, switch angles. Unless you can see it here. The top portion, there's a clip right up here that has to let go. So we do it, squeeze bottom and top, and get the top up. Beautiful. See, the plastics ain't separating. Looks like the factory for the most part, except for the orange needles. I opted away from the orange needles, and I got blue LEDs, which is like a $20 addition, but it beats me buying all the individual LEDs, which I could do for cheap. But I'd take this off, take it apart, yeah. Let them do it. No, they already probably had it already pre-packaged like this. Then the needles and all that stuff. I would have had the old orange needles. Boom. It's down. It's down. Right side up. Way around it. You got it clicked in. You hear it click. So what we're gonna do now? Turn this off. Oh. We'll reconnect the battery, and then we're gonna see and make sure the lights and everything work before we complete this install. Put the screws in, put the bezel back on. All right, battery's connected. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, let's turn the lights on. Oh, the blue LEDs. Oh, that's so pretty. Your access open, all that. The needles are where they're supposed to be at. That's what I'm talking about, man. ISS Auto for the win. Oh. All my gauges working like they're supposed to. Man. I was being whipped. Man. All right, the only thing to do now is put them screws in. Hopefully we don't lose them. Like the last person lost the other two. I'll be here. So let's get our 1/4 inch ratchet out. Put screws in. One down here at the bottom, and one at the top on the left. What's going on, Bob? YouTube fam, I got my dad with me. My dad's allowed me to store the vehicle at his spot for the time being.
No problem, son, no problem.
He's also going to be driving too. I know you can't wait to swing bang this big old monster once we get some AC in it.
Almost definitely. Because Texas heat ain't no joke.
Yeah, they get toasted, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Toast your buns.
Toasted griddle.
Mm-hmm. You worry about no eggs and bacon. If you want it fried, just put that early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Because by noontime, it'll be ready.
Thanks.
Jack Johnson said, ready? It's ready.
Right. So I tested it works. All the needles work like they're supposed to. They're going where they're supposed to go. They're not.
Yeah. Thank God.
So now the fun part. Put the bezel back in. First we gotta do that. We gotta bring it. Nope. I'm trying to turn it on. Oh, let me see. So remember, guys, with this, you got to get it down and get this top portion underneath. It's a little flexible. Hopefully, if yours is super brittle, more than likely it's going to crack on you. Mine's not that brittle, so we got it over and just pop it all back in place. So shout out to ISS Auto. Quality product, working like supposed to. Now the old one, we can't trash it. We have to send it back in, or they will send you a core charge, or charge you a core charge between $150 to $300, depending on your make and model. So make sure you send that back, or don't cry when you get hit with that charge. Oh, hey, where's my credit card? Hey, try to hit it. And it does still need this fuel filter change and the fuel pump. 14 volts. Oh my. Oh, what is that? 14. You see that 14 volts? Oil pressure on point. Fuel. Everything's working like it's supposed to. Beautiful. Alright guys, that's how you change out the dash on your 04 GMC Yukon Denali. If you go to their website, one thing I like about the website, they ask you to put in your VIN number to help make sure they give you the correct dash type. Now, a feature they do have that you can see over here. Let me take you guys off auto director real quick. I'm gonna show you this. All right, so over here in the left, look right there. That's for transmission temperature. You can get that added on. It's a $90 upcharge, but it looks like they keep just a standard face, which makes sense. They save money that way. But if you are trying to add that, they can do it for $90 extra. You can actually get the carbon fiber face, which is like another $40. It's not that serious. I did get the lifetime warranty on this, so if it ever messes up or just stops functioning like it's supposed to, I can ship it back or get a new one. So we're good to go on that. But yeah, I like it. I'm trying to get some night footage, but you guys can see right there the blue. It looks so much better than the white with the orange needles and all that stuff. The plastic's super clear. One SS Auto did a great job with this. Very good job. I can recommend them hands down. And that's it. And let me apologize, guys. All right, I've been kind of saying one SS. It ain't no one. It's ISS Automotive. ISS Automotive. ISS Automotive. ISS Automotive. I to the S to the S. Automotive. Automotive. My apologies. Links in the bio. So real quick, I was wondering why I had this. So they asked you for a VIN for a reason. Sure enough, I do have transmission temperature. So yeah, put your VIN in. Shout out to ISS Auto.